Woke up with a hangover? Don't worry, I've got 10 life-saving tips to help you feel human again. Here are the first 5. Let's go. Tip 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Alcohol dehydrates you, which makes you feel terrible. Start your recovery by drinking plenty of water. For an extra boost, try coconut water or an electrolyte drink. They replenish the minerals your body desperately needs. Aim to sip steadily rather than gulping to avoid upsetting your stomach. Tip 2. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Your body's crying out for nutrients. Have eggs, avocado, and whole grain toast. Eggs are packed with cysteine, which helps break down toxins from alcohol. Adding some fruits on the side like berries can provide an extra vitamin punch to kickstart your day. Tip 3. Take a pain reliever. Got a pounding headache? Take an ibuprofen. It's your best friend today. But avoid acetaminophen. It's too harsh on your liver after drinking. Always take it with food or water to protect your stomach lining from irritation. Tip 4. Ginger or peppermint tea. Feeling nauseous? Sip on some ginger or peppermint tea. Both are natural remedies that calm your stomach and ease nausea in minutes. Plus, the warmth can be soothing and help you feel more relaxed overall. Tip 5. Bananas or potassium-rich foods. Alcohol drains your potassium levels. Grab a banana, some orange juice, or even a baked potato to feel better faster. Potassium also helps balance electrolytes, which can ease muscle cramps and fatigue. Tip 6. Rest and sleep. Alcohol disrupts your sleep, so no wonder you're exhausted. Take the day to rest. Your body needs time to heal and flush out toxins. Even just a short nap can do wonders for resetting your energy levels. Tip 7. Take vitamin B and C supplements. Alcohol depletes vitamins, especially B and C, which are essential for energy and recovery. Pop a supplement or eat citrus fruits like oranges to restore balance. Vitamin B is great for metabolism, while vitamin C helps boost your immune system. Tip 8. Recovery smoothie. Blend a smoothie with spinach, kale, bananas, and coconut water. It's like a magic potion that floods your body with nutrients. Add a little ginger or turmeric for an anti-inflammatory kick that'll soothe your system. Tip 9. Avoid hair of the dog. Tempted to have another drink? Don't. It might give short-term relief, but it just prolongs the detox process. Stick to water or herbal teas instead, so your liver can focus on clearing out the toxins. Tip 10. Cool compress or aromatherapy. Got a pounding headache? Lie down and apply a cool compress to your forehead or temples. You can also try lavender or peppermint essential oil for aromatherapy. The soothing scents can help ease headaches and calm your mind. And there you have it. 10 tips to bounce back from a hangover. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enjoy Life 8888 for more fun, health, and wellness hacks. See you in the next one.